Hey everybody, it's Scott and Uncle Steve with the Knowles Woolsey team at Remax Hallmark. Guys, we're back down at one of our favorite locations, gorgeous Kempenfelt Bay. We're at the one and only Nautica condominiums, and we have a beautiful two-bedroom suite for you today.
We sure do, but over and above that, Scotty, let's touch on the amenities. It's an extension of your living space. We've got a fabulous pool, whirlpool spa. We've got a fantastic party room, probably our personal favorite. We've got a great games room, library. What am I missing?
Let's not forget about those guest suites for the ones that you don't necessarily want to have overnight. They got their own private suites in here. That's just about as good as it gets. Now let's get upstairs and have a look. Welcome to the Key West model, guys. I know you're gonna love it here. 1,259 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Check out this custom kitchen, granite countertop, extended seating for the breakfast bar on that side. One of the larger kitchens you'll see in a 2-bedroom. Extended height cabinetry, tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. You're gonna love entertaining here.
Folks, you're gonna love the features and finish of this suite. We've got hardwood and tile throughout the entire suite, 9-foot ceilings, crown molding, and my favorite feature, almost 180 square feet of glass overlooking beautiful Kempenfelt Bay. See for yourself.
When it comes to condo living, it's all about the outdoor space. And with the Key West model, you have the largest balcony in the entire building. So whether you're looking for the dining area, a lounge area, or some combination of both, we've got you covered here.
Yeah, and how about this 3-acre eco park here? Tremendous buffer, full of nature. But better than that, we got terrific views down Kempenfelt Bay, city marina, city lights. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.